The GPT-3 neural network, the generative pre-trained transformer, was developed by OpenAI and founded by Elon Musk and ex-president of Y-Combinator Sam Altman. The third generation of the natural language processing model was presented to the public in May 2020. Today, it's the most complex and voluminous language model in existence. Just like its predecessors, GPT-1 and GPT-2, it's built using a transformer architecture. The main function of these neural networks is to predict the next word or part of it, based on the preceding ones. In essence, it calculates the connection between words and suggests the most likely sequence. The model works on the principle of after completion, almost like the T9 function in smartphones. Based on one or two phrases, it can instantly generate multiple pages of text. GPT-3 is an after-regressive language model with 175 billion parameters, 10x more than any previous non-sparse language model. And its performance was tested in the few short settings. Since OpenAI kicked off the GPT-3 API access for selected users, many demos have been created to showcase the impressive capabilities of the massive-scale language model. The first version of GPT, released in 2018, was trained on 5 GB of text from internet pages and books, and its size reached 170 million parameters. A year later, a more advanced GPT-2 was released, trained on 40 GB of data with 1.5 billion parameters. But the third version of the algorithm surpassed the previous ones by a large margin. The number of parameters reached 175 billion, and the size of the dataset was 600 GB. It included the entire English language Wikipedia, books and poems, material on media sites, and GitHub, guidebooks, and even receipts. About 7% of the dataset was in the foreign languages, so the language model can both generate text in any format and translate them. Unique, isn't it? Using the GPT-3 increases your writing speed and can help you make sense of your text and convey it correctly to your audience. The neural network is in constant study of materials and text for better performance and fast selection of words on the subject. This week, OpenAI announced an embeddings endpoint paper for GPT-3 that allows users to derive dense text embeddings for a given input text at a legally state-of-the-art performance on several relevant tasks. Although OpenAI calls itself a non-profit organization, it hasn't put the model in the public domain and instead plans to sell services on a subscription basis. In the summer of 2020, the team announced a closed API application programming interface based on GPT-3. The organization stresses that the funds was obtained will allow to continue research and develop the algorithm. In addition, in this way, OpenAI hopes to maintain control over the use of the technology and avoid potential misuse. Let us in the comments, what do you think about the effectiveness of using the GPT-3 in everyday life? Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive more helpful information, just check it out on brutonlab.com.